Yeah, open up Google Chrome, come to Africanewspay. After you open a page, I go to whichever category you feel has more views today. Let's go on news after news. Then you start opening the updates, today's updates, one by one in new tabs. Open all of them, so to say. You want to say, open all of them. After that, just frequently open them, because whenever you have time, or it's our case for that, go to the next one, 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 just like that.